Take control over your generations by adjusting the intensity. When you create a selection, you can click on Generative Fill to add content to your image. For example, try the prompt sea turtle. The resulting variations are good, but they don't quite match the scene. The turtles do not look like they're in the water. Here's a trick to change the intensity of the generations. First, enter the quick mask mode by pressing the Q key. You will see the layer highlight in red. Now click on this black and white icon to make the foreground color black. And press Alt and Backspace on Windows, Option Delete on the Mac to fill the quick mask with the foreground color, which is black. This will make it so that nothing is selected. Now double-click on the foreground color to bring up the color picker. Black is currently selected, which has a brightness of 0%. When you make it white, brightness will be at 100%. Think of these brightness values as the intensity of the generative fill. To make it seem like the sea turtle is deeper in the water, we need a less intense generation. So change the brightness to 60% to generate at 60% intensity and press OK. Now create another selection and press Alt and Backspace on Windows. That's Option Delete on the Mac to fill the selection with 60% gray. Press the Q key to exit the quick mask mode and click on the Generative Fill button and type sea turtle. Then click Generate. The results will now be less intense, making it seem like those sea turtles are really in the water. Now try changing the intensity of your generations. My name is Jesus Ramirez. Thank you so much for watching.